Elon Musk has become well known for the companies he's invented and their products, if not their services. Being famous for his Mars colonization plans, not leaving out the revolutionary Tesla, the world's renowned electric car maker. But did you know that despite being a billionaire, he lives in a house which is cheaper than a Tesla? We'll see about that in a few. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, Tesla news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. In today's video, we'll look at Elon Musk's $50,000 house. Why does he live here? What's the different about this place? At first, you might probably guess that the world's richest man lives in one of the world's largest and most luxurious houses in the world. Well, you'd think of it as a castle, if not a palace. Think of all the top-of-the-line and luxurious amenities Elon would have in his house. Think of anything elegant, and you'll be able to get it in Elon's house. You would also think that he owns not one place, but multiple houses, all with the same luxury specs. However, to many people's surprise, this is not the case. Elon owns not even one luxurious house. He owns none. Elon Musk recently announced the selling of all of his properties. This was when Tesla's headquarters was being relocated from Silicon Valley to Texas. After relocating to Texas, Musk's actual location in Texas remained unknown for a long time. Having sold all his prior properties, people could have believed he purchased a lovely property in or around Austin. Surprisingly, that's not the case though. Musk recently stated that he only has one house in California remaining, which is Tesla's event home, and that he hasn't sold it. He also said that he currently resides in an apartment, about £50,000 house in Boca Starbase. He also said that he rents it out from SpaceX. Elon, who has a Twitter following of more than 75 million, caught many jaw-dropping after he said this. It's hard to believe that the world's richest man currently lives in a $50,000 house, one that's cheaper than a Tesla car. This made people interested in the matter, and it got people digging, trying to find any trace or piece of related information. Musk's assertion turned out to be genuine, thanks to some superb research by Teslarati and other web sources. He lives in a 400 square foot prefab, towable house designed by Box. According to Teslarati, the home is a boxable casita. It's simple to travel and set up, and it can be moved about rather readily. Shortly after, Musk disclosed where he lives. A video of a Tesla car towing the house emerged in a tweet. Could this be a plan that Tesla is using to market its house? Well, we'll be seeing that in a few. The house is foldable when empty. In its folded state, the house can be towed using a car and taken to any destination of the owner's choice. However, the house is not that light and requires some specs met by the vehicle towing it. According to the disclaimer, the house needs a towing capability of £12,000. Therefore, the Model X shouldn't really be pulling it. But a Tesla Cybertruck, on the other hand, would be the ideal option. In November 2020, Box hinted that Musk would purchase one of its homes. According to Teslarati, a particularly unique customer in Boca Chica, one who desired to put a Falcon 9 poster on the unit's door, was noted. World of Engineering gave out a tweet with a video in March 2021 explicitly mentioning the famous CEO. Musk's interest in living in a small house home is understandable, given Tesla's commitment to sustainability. On the other hand, given Musk's wealth and the fact that he has children, it's also surprising. In June 2021, YouTuber Matt Wallace tweeted that Musk lives very modestly by billionaire standards, with just one residential home and one house for events. Musk reacted to the tweet by verifying that fact and revealing that his residence is a modest cottage. My primary home is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica near Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kind of awesome though, he tweeted. Only house I own is the events house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday. So he currently lives in a $50,000 home in Starbase, Texas, where his private space firm SpaceX produces its starships, amazed many people. According to the pictures of the resident, the Tesla and SpaceX CEO seems to be living simply in a prefabricated housing unit that's just approximately 400 square feet. Elon Musk's dwelling unit at Starbase, Texas is a boxable casita, a foldable prefabricated house intended for speedy installation and optimal affordability, according to Teslarati. A 2020 model, like the one supposedly owned by Elon Musk, costs $50,000, which is less than a Model Y long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive. The box casita is also long-lasting because of its concrete and steel construction. It could be set up fast and moved because of the home's minimal weight, which allows it to be hauled by a Model X. The house is simple enough to be pulled by a car, but again, it's more convenient and more efficient than the world's richest man. Elon Musk seems to be living in a boxable house in November 2020, when the prefabricated housing firm shared a video inside a unit it had just completed near Boca Chica, Texas. The film was primarily commercial, with the corporation emphasizing the benefits of manufacturing houses in a factory setting. The box casita is made to order in various finishes and combinations. However, a peek at Elon Musk's alleged Starbase dwelling unit reveals that the CEO chose a base unit. Musk did say that he had made some renovations to the house that would make it worth about $69,000 today. But that's still less than the cost of a starter Tesla Model S. The casita is pure Elon Musk in terms of being unique and functional. Yet, the thought that the 2020 unit may be home to the world's third wealthiest person is intriguing. After all, those with a net worth of $1 billion are likely to live in wealthy homes. Elon, whose worth is closer to $300 billion, chooses to live in a house cheaper than an entry car that his company, Tesla, makes. Box seems to be a fan of Elon Musk and his initiatives, with one of its casita units being converted for use on Mars as probable astronaut living quarters. More recently, Boxable proposed utilizing its prefabricated housing modules to expand Starbase, enabling the facility to develop with housing units equally as disruptive as SpaceX's rockets and Tesla's electric automobiles. The type of house that Elon lives in currently has low carbon material, making it suitable for him to make his green energy plan come true. Also, this makes the house to be readily put up in almost any place on Earth. By Elon Musk living in this type of house might be a move to show the future of housing that he intends to bring, just like he did with the electric cars that are now everyday talk. Elon Musk living in a house and openly talking about it is a simple way of revealing the Tesla house that packs modernity and practicality. The house needs only to be unfolded and placed on a flat surface upon being delivered. When fully set, the house will need no more effort, but only to decide how the floors will be laid. Thanks to the flexibility, the house can be fully customized according to the client's needs. You will get a well-spaced kitchen with everything that you would get in a typical model home. There's a living room area that's big enough to accommodate you and your loved ones. The house will be fully independent, with standard plumbing and wiring already done. Within a day of delivery, the owners will enjoy their new homes. Isn't that completely game-changing? As Elon's tweet posts, he's happy with the house that he's currently living in. His posts about the new house that he's living in clearly show that he plans to make Tesla houses in the future. Well, that marks the end of this video. Would you live in a $50,000 house if you were the richest man on Earth? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on an update about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.